Welcome to the OU College of Dentistry FPD Lab Form training video, brought to you by the Division of Dental Informatics. For this demonstration, I will plan a D2752 on tooth 18 with recurrent active moderate dentin caries, middle 1/3 of dentin for the diagnosis, and choose Add when the associated lab pops up. Faculty will approve the procedure in lab, and we can now add the lab to the patient's chart. Open the Labs tab, click the plus button, choose the department, the procedure, and choose OK. Add anything that you want to the details box and click the plus button. Everything up to this point should look familiar as it hasn't been changed. Now, instead of using the default Lab 2 form, we will click the drop down and choose Lab FPD and click OK. Everything in the salmon color is required, so we will start with type of impression and choose digital. This is for tooth 18. We will want to choose the type of restoration, so we will choose yes here. We are going to select MCR. This opens up additional questions. For metal try-in, we will choose yes. For alloy, we are going to choose Argibond 80. The other box would most commonly be used for all ceramic and to specify a different block. Now we will go through the next several boxes quickly. For MCR design for buccal margin, we are to specify metal collar in millimeter or porcelain butt margin. We will enter porcelain butt margin. MCR design for occlusal surface, we're going to put porcelain 3/4 metal if rest for RPD. For lingual surface, we'll put porcelain 2mm metal collar. For mesial surface, we'll put porcelain metal if mesial rest for RPD. For distal, we'll put metal if distal rest for RPD. Choose OK. Next, we will choose if this is a redo. We will go ahead and say that it is and explain why. Porcelain fractured off crown, less than 1 year old. Choose OK. We're going to choose return for dye trim. Our final shade is A2. For rest, we will choose mesial. For undercut, we will choose distofacial. The special instructions we will give will be please pour in Pindex for number 18 MCR, pour additional model, return to student for dye trim. The approving doctor no longer has to sign for approval as we have their signature on file, but they will have to put in their name and their license number. At this point, the lab form can be previewed and printed and taken on to the lab. And that's it. If you have any questions or would like additional training on the new FPD Lab Form process, reach out to your GPD or call Dental Informatics at 55481 and we will be glad to help. Thanks for watching.